Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. So in this video, I just have a little bit of footage from an afternoon we went for a hike in Alamo Canyon in Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument. So it's about a 3-mile drive in on gravel road. There's a primitive campground there, but there's kind of a nice hike sort of up into a canyon. So just a little bit of footage, nothing special. I thought maybe people might want to see what's in there. I've done other videos from the park before with some of the more major attractions, but I don't think I've ever actually had any video footage of this cool little place. So let's go. Well, March 8th, 2025. So we left the RV park we've been staying at while I do some maintenance on the RV and just drove into Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument to a place called Alamo Canyon. Nice hiking trail in here. Desert is quite lush with saguaro and organ pipes, various other cactus chain fruit. But beautiful day. We had a cold front go through the other day, dropped some valuable moisture. Finally we got some rain, so knocked all the dust down. Now it's cleared out. It's been a beautiful day today. Right now it's around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, just perfect for hiking around. I love this area. It's so quiet here. Let's give you a view up onto the hillside there. There's quite a few of the namesake organ pipes up there. I like to grow at certain places, mostly with a southern exposure, I think. Some pretty big saguaros down here too. It's about 3 miles of gravel road off the main highway into the park. There is a primitive camp. I don't know, maybe 6 or 8 campsites. It's only for tents and truck campers though. Anne's trying to find some wildlife. All she's found so far is a little hummingbird. But good to get out and get some exercise, stretch the old legs. Some of the ocotillo plants are starting to get some little orange flowers on the end. Huge wash down here. Imagine during flash floods that gets rolling. Oh, nice little short hike up the canyon. Not very many birds though, so maybe we'll head down to the Twin Peaks campground because there's always tons of bird life down there. I guess because there's a lot of access to water. It's pretty dry out here for them.